Yes, welcome to episode 5 of Learn Java Programming with Alvin David. And today we are going to learn about Java output, whereby Java output we are learning about the printing print text. So if at all you've been observant, you can realize that in the previous episodes we have been printing text. So it will be easy and it will be very fast. So printing text, you learned from the previous that you can use a print line method to output values or print text in Java. So using System.out.print line, you printed the hello world, and you can try it out again. Don't hesitate to try it out again because it will help you. You can add as many print line methods as you want. Not that it will add a new line for each method, just as we saw with the other example, hello world, I'm learning Java, it's awesome. You can also try using this one. It will print each text on different line. Hello world on the first, I am learning Java on the second one, it's awesome on the third one. So you realize that we're using double quotes. Text must be wrapped inside double quotes, those two, and if you forget the double quotes, you'll get an error. So we can create another file called let's say print text to Java. So okay, so create a public class print text, and I make our public public static void main staking the string, and so we are going to try out to check and see which errors are going to come if at all maybe we have not put the double quotes. So let's try printing something. So we say check for errors. Okay, so you can see it's already underlined, but let's try running it and we'll see which error you're going to get. So you can see that you're getting 4 errors. The first one is that parenthesis, the closing, so, and the opening, and it's saying not a statement, and it's also saying a semicolon is expected. So all these errors are going to come if at all you've not put this text in the quotation. So you can see that, and when you put them in quotations, the double quotes, and try rerunning, yeah, it will execute check for errors. So after this one will say no errors, perfect, go. And if I want to make this first one check for error, so this one will it will throw errors. So we can comment this out so that it doesn't affect us when we are running the file, but it will be useful for you in that this first one it will throw those errors, and this second one it will run smoothly. So that was what was being explained here. If you make this one, this will make an error, and realize that we have two print methods. There's print line and then the print. So let's say there is also a print method which is similar to print line. The only difference is that this doesn't insert a new line at the end of the output. So when you say System.out.print hello world and System.out.print, I will print on the same line. So this will just put hello world, and then it also print this on the same line. So we can try this out and we see. Okay, so let's I think let's just create another printing. So let's say checking. So we are using the print. So it's a using the print print method. Here we're using the print line method. Using the print line method. So we create another print statement here with to the same line. So we are using the print method, and let's run and see whether checking and whether it is these two are printed on the same line. So let's run and see. Yeah, so you can realize and see that System.out.print line check for errors was printed here, and it skips to the next line and it finds the print method without the line. So it prints checking this first statement here. It prints checking, you can see checking here, and this next statement is whether it is added on the same line, and it says whether it's printed or it's added to the same line. So you can realize that for this method we can make another method here for you to understand. System.out.print line. Okay, so you can just skip to the next line, and we add, and let's run again. So you can realize that it prints this first statement, skip to the next line, and then it skips to the next line, and then it prints check for errors. So when you use the print method without print line, it prints the two statements on the same line. So that's the difference between the print line and the print method in Java. So I hope you've understood this, and you can try it out and see what it's bringing on your PC, and you can refer to this in case of any challenges. So that's all we have, and then note that we add an extra space after hello world for better readability. We did add this space, but if at all you add it here and print, you realize that it's going to create some space. Checking whether you can see the space here. So that's all, and we can use this example to see whether we have understood this part of printing text. So drag and drop the correct method to print hello world in Java. So System.out. We are printing a line, so there's PRNTL, this I don't know even how to pronounce this. There's print line, there's echo, there's print line. So this is a full word, but we use this print ln. So when you tap this and click submit, it prints that text hello world onto the next so it prints hello world in our terminal, and when you say yes, so we retake. So drag and drop the correct we can redo it again. Next question, and drag and drop the correct text so the code prints hello Java. System.out.print line, we are printing hello Java, but remember hello Java is a text and it needs to be in these quotes, double quotes. So you submit and next, and drag and drop the correct method so that the world is printed on a new line. Printing on a new line, system.out.print line hello, it will go to the next so system.out. You can see print new, it's wrong. Print ln, this might be the correct one. Echo, no. Print line, no. So it's this one. And when you go to next question, text inside print line must be wrapped inside double quotes. Yes, that's true. And when you go to next question, the difference between print line and print is that number one, the print ln method adds a new line break after printing, while print does not. That might be correct. The print adds a new line break after printing, no. So it's this one. And we have finished our exercise for this part of printing text. So W3 Schools also has YouTube videos for you. You can refer to them, but I've made this more clearer than such that you can understand. So for the next video, we are going to print numbers. So ensure that you like, subscribe, and in case of any challenge, hit the comment section. I will find you there and we'll solve your challenge or question together. So thank you.